And also today in this video we are going to discuss about one of the most popular share, that is Adani Green Energy share. So in the previous video we discussed about future consumer, future retail, future life. I discussed each and every important point that we need to add in amount in those shares in small quantities, and I told that don't hurry up and invest in future consumer, and I've given the levels where you need to enter, and it exactly obeyed that. It has hit the lower circuit. And also, if you see Morphine Pharma, Marksans Pharma, all of them are in upper circuits. So I told you 2 days back only, if you want to add in that in small quantities, or who do positional trading, for them also I told that you can enter at 22 rupees. So that is the importance of level. So you should get the notification, means you need to subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you don't subscribe you'll not get any important update. So even in the community section also today I posted that buy Adani Green in small quantity when it was open. And also I told about Alok also. Yes, Alok was open today in BSC and it has hit the upper circuit within 5 minutes only. So that's why I told invest in small quantities. So if you subscribe to the channel, then only you'll get the updates. So let's get into the topic. So all of you know that Adani Green has been falling continuously since few days, okay, and it has given huge upward movement in the past week. So there was a correction for it. So we'll see the overall aspect of this company. We'll see the overall technicals as well as the fundamentals, and we'll try to find out a conclusion from it. Okay. So firstly, when we see the business of Adani Green, we see that it is majorly into solar power, wind power, hybrid power, and solar parks. We know that solar energy now is booming a lot. Even if you see Urja Global also started booming. Okay, I told that Urja Global is also into solar power. So now the solar power is becoming very popular, because as we know that the most of the Indian solar panels or solar power, whatever you say, is gets imports from China. Okay, so China does it maximum manufacturing. So if that production will be stopped, then Indian companies will start booming. So Adani Green and Urja Global, as well as Sterling and Wilson, so these are three companies we need to focus if you are into solar energy. So don't focus on the debt, because solar companies will be in debt because their demand was very less in the past year. So now the demand will be very high, so you need to add all these shares into your portfolio for long term point of view. Okay. And if you see this also saying that ICE install capacity 25 gigawatt by 2025. This is news is I can say old news, but the statement is very important. ICE installed capacity of 25 gigawatt, okay, by 2025. So the future of this company is very high. Okay, so this future of the company is very high, and we need to add, okay, little quantity. That's why I told in community that you can add this share when it was open today. So that's why you need to follow the notifications regularly. Okay, so now we'll see the overview of this company, then we'll see the technicals, and we'll find out the what will be the targets as well as resistances and supports. Okay, so if we see the overview of this company, so market cap is around 55,000 crores, and if we see PE is currently PE is not there for this, and industry PE is a 10, and its highest PE is 416. Okay, and if we see the deliveries, so deliveries is important. Deliveries is saying that there are 99.97% deliveries. So yesterday only it was showing indication that tomorrow it may have an upward movement. Yes or no? This is the basic overview of this company. So if you see the shareholding, we see that the company, okay, let me mark. Okay, the company promoter is having 74.92% stake. Okay, and pledging is almost 14%. Okay, it's less and it's decreasing. Okay, and insurance company is 0%. Mutual fund holding has also remained flat, and other DIs holding is 1.84. So this is the basic overview. So what will be the future of the solar panel should be the main question. So if you see few airports in India also, they have completely what we say Cochin, I think Cochin airport is completely solar powered airport. Okay, it generates maximum power to run the airport to the solar panels. So that will be the importance of it. Okay, in the future there are so many airports. If the solar energy starts booming and wind energy starts booming, so this company will be in its peaks. Okay, so that's why we need to add this share in small quantities whenever you get a chance. So today was that one opportunity, and we don't know we will get it tomorrow or not, because the buying quantity was very high for this particular share. And if we see the strengths of this company, we see that FIS institutional increasing their shareholding, stock gain almost 20%, quarterly net profit increasing, growth in net profit. So these are the basic strengths. So similarly, if we see the weaknesses, we see that high interest payment. So if we see the negatives, we see that only the debt is very high, and similarly we can see that declaring net cash flow. So these are the main negatives that we need to focus. Okay. So we need to see that debt is common in all solar companies, because the demand was less in the past year. So now it's started booming, and we need to focus on these type of shares. Okay, even if you see Suzlon Energy has also started hitting upper circuits. Yes or no? Okay. So next, opportunities. So what you're seeing, the opportunities. So big deal buys last month greater than 1% of total shares. So big deal has happened, and positive breakout and turnaround companies lost to profit. So in the previous the video also I told that loss to profit company should be marked very cautiously, that they are going to boom very fast. Okay, so loss to profit companies will give a good returns in the coming years, and highest recovery from 52-week low, and PE is less than or equal to 10, good indication, and high volume and high gain. So these are the basic opportunities. So when we talk about the levels, we see that from 1 day chart, it has exactly okay, it has exactly taken support here, and it started bouncing back, and near term and easily it should go to the level from where it had started falling. So 475 it will achieve within few days only if it starts hitting upper circuits. So this is about technicals. So nothing support for this. Negative breakdown is not possible right now, only it can move upwards. Okay, the buying is very high for this. So people who have added, so they might be lucky. So mention in the comment section who all have added this share. Okay, next, if we see in 1 week chart also, so it showed a minor correction, and now it started recovering. Even money flow index was in oversold, and now again it will start retracing its position. Okay, so this is all about Adani Green Energy share. So that's why I tell, if you want any important update, I told today to buy Adani Green. Okay, so how will you get that important update? If you subscribe to the channel, then only you'll get the update. Even today, Ion Exchange around 4 to 5% has given 10% return in just 2 days. So that is the power of the levels. So that's why I tell, watch the video till the end to not miss any update. Okay, in next video we'll discuss about another share. Until then, take care. Bye bye.